Hello everybody, welcome to Transy Learning Mathematics videos. Today we'll be discussing about concept and explanation for illustrating a solution on a number line for linear inequalities. So let's see what all topics we'll be covering in this video. In this video, we'll be discussing about what is a number line, the position of zero, positive and negative numbers on number line, how to represent numbers not included in solution on number line, and how to represent numbers included in solution on number line. So let's start. First of all, what is a number line? A number line is a line on which numbers are marked at regular intervals. You can see here that the different kind of numbers, whether negative, zero, or positive, they are marked at regular intervals from each other. So now if we talk about the position of negative number 0 and positive number, so how are we going to explain that? So if we take into consideration the position of 0, positive and negative numbers, then 0 is marked as the center. You can see here that 0 is present at the center of a number line, whereas the positive numbers are marked on the right hand side. Here on the right hand side we have positive numbers, while on the left hand side we have negative numbers. So all we have to remember that we have 0 at the center, on the left hand side we have negative numbers, and on the right hand side we have positive numbers in a number line. So we have discussed the position of 0, positive and negative numbers. Now let us discuss that how numbers not included and included in a number line are represented. First of all, let us discuss about the numbers not included in the solution. The numbers not included in the solution are represented by an open circle, and it is associated with the greater than or the less than sign. And all numbers which satisfy the solution are represented by bar or arrow. It is associated with all the numbers which satisfy the inequality. So if we combine this open circle with a bar or an open circle with an arrow, so what kind of representation of the numbers not included in the solution we get? Let's see. So here you can see two figures, open circle with an arrow and two open circle with a bar in between. Now you must be thinking that why there are two representation, one with the arrow and one with a bar. So I would like to mention here that we will be using an open circle and an arrow for simple inequalities like x greater than 5, and as x is greater than 5, so we will not include 5 in the solution. So it will be represented by an open circle with an arrow towards the numbers greater than 5. And this one with two open circles towards the extreme end and the bar in between is used to represent the solution for compound inequalities, like x is greater than 2 and it is less than 10. In this case, as x is greater than 2, so we will mark 2 with an open circle, and as x is less than 10, so we will mark 10 with an open circle. And as 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, they satisfy the solution, so we will just mark them with a bar. So this is how we represent the solution for simple inequalities and compound inequalities for numbers not included in the solution. And to conclude, the numbers which are not included in the solution are associated with greater than and less than sign. Now the numbers which are included in the solution. The numbers included in the solution are represented by closed circle. It is associated with the greater than, equal to, or less than equal to sign. And the numbers which satisfy the solution are represented by bar or arrow. It is associated with all the numbers which satisfy the inequality. So if we combine the closed circle and bar or arrow, then how the numbers included in the solution are represented? Let's see. They are represented with a closed circle and arrow in case of simple inequalities, like x is less than equal to 10. In this case, as x is less than equal to 10, so we will mark a closed circle on 10, as 10 is also included in the solution, and then we will represent all the numbers which satisfy the solution with an arrow. So this is how we gonna represent the solution on the number line for simple inequalities. In case of compound inequalities, we will be using two closed circles with a bar in between. Like x is greater than equal to -1 and it is less than equal to 5. In this case, as x is greater than equal to 1, so we will mark a closed circle on -1, and as x is less than equal to -5, so we will mark a closed circle on 5. And then all the numbers which satisfy the inequality is represented by bar in between. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are satisfying this inequality, so they are represented by bar. So these are the two ways in which we represent the numbers included in the solution for simple inequalities and for compound inequalities. And to conclude, the numbers which are included in the solution are associated with the greater than equal to or less than equal to sign. So that was all about the review for representing the solution for number included and numbers not included in the solution on number line. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, you can visit our website transelearning.com. Have a great day.